too soon we know again. I know you've realized that I'm way ahead of the game. I feel like I'm a father to a bunch of grown-up men. All these disses dropping names, they know that I did it first. Yeah, I fathered it, better call me Cell. You niggas, you better honor me. Remember when they doubted me, fuck it, I broke the door. They praising Big Zulu for what they hated me for. But I'm a sleepy rapper, I'm feeling like Kenan Forbes. When shit hit the fan, niggas ran from up beyond. No, I was packing heat, I was clutching like I'm Rambo. Your career skeletons, pirates from Orlando. Oh shit, I know a man who lost his wife over the internet. That man is a bitch, why is he acting like a Jezebel? I get it myself, I ain't never needed no middleman. I know my name ring a bell. Your favorite rapper been a fan. They copy my moves, but they act like they don't like me. That's why I shit out on them, poo, I'm shiesty. I don't got no twin, but I play in the major league. Ambitious on my dick, you can never be signing me. How many unsigned niggas is popping like I am? Y'all a bunch of poppers can be talking like I am. I built this myself. When everybody lost faith in me, I believed in myself. Why you talking like you made me be? Now I know you crazy be. I know this gon' make me rich. I'ma go insane for this. Most of you is average, I'm better than your favorite. Now I'm in the bakery, I want the bread, I'm baking it. Where's the bank, I'm breaking it. Money first, she comes second like she gave me my boozy. She a think I'm impressed of how she give me medulla. I want the rands for the nairas, I'm going straight to her bush. Every move is calculated, that's just how I maneuver. This for everybody that thought I was a joke. Shit ain't funny no more. They don't consider me part of the culture, but they copy my flow. The game is alive and that's because of my flow. Mangtana nga too soon we know again. I know you've realized that I'm way ahead of the game. I feel like I'm a father to a bunch of grown-up men. All these disses dropping names, they know that I did it first.
At this point, niggas is just scared of me. There's no explanation besides fear. Niggas fear my greatness. Niggas fear how great I am. That's why you don't see me on these lineups. That's why you don't see me at these award shows. They